Below the divider, let's go ahead and add a picker. And the picker we're going to call starting points. And the selection, whenever you select an item from the starting points list, it's going to be bound to the starting points. And then we'll do a closure, and inside there we'll add 3 text views. So again, when you make a selection on the picker, it's going to update this value called starting points. Let's go ahead and add the text. So we're going to say 0 starting points, and then we give it a tag, and the tag will be the value when that is selected. And in our case, we want to set it to 0. This text will say 10 starting points, and we'll set its tag, and yes, you guessed it, it's going to be number 10. And then we have a third text, and we're going to call that 20 starting points, and its tag will be 20. Let's update this view so that when we add it to the main application, it'll have some style to it. So we're going to use, we're going to set a background, and we're going to set dot thin material, and then we're going to say in, and we're going to pass in a dot rect with a corner radius of 10.0. So it's hard to tell right here, but there is a slight corner radius on this gray background. Let's go back to the content view, and let's update this starting points. We're going to add a state wrapper to it, so now it's state private var starting points. Then underneath the scorekeeper text, let's add our settings view. And then we pass in, we bind it to the starting points here. So that's the initial state. And so when you click that, you can see the picker, which allows you to pick different values. And that's how that works.